All right, we got to make some Hasselback taters, right? Real easy to do. Just grab an ordinary tater, right? And you want to, of course, remove the tater skin. You know, you can do what you want with the tater skin. If you want to fry them, that's up to you. This is the hardest part about this recipe, right? I mean, man, it takes forever. But anyway, you get the idea. So we're gonna jump ahead, all right? So we don't bore you to death. All right, peeled. That took forever. Unless you use that fast forward button, right? All right. Hasselback taters, right? Real easy to do. The easiest way to do it is use a little jig, right? Use a couple of these wooden spoons, handles, and you want to cut through, but not all the way, right? So you just take your knife, and this is why we're using the jig. You go all the way through, and of course you're gonna bust open your tater. So there you go. So essentially, you're making an accordion, right? Deep crevasses for butter and seasoning, right? So you do this for all these. Damn, you know? Now, there is a reason you go to your local Mickey D's drive-up, you know, because it's a lot faster to buy the fries. But these things are awesome. Hasselback, right? I don't know. Wasn't there a lifeguard called Hasselback, or was that some other guy? Well, I don't remember that. All right, here we go. So you just keep going. I'm not going to bore you with the rest. You know how to do it. All right, we're going to jump forward. All right, it's done. See what we've done? Pretty cool, huh? We've done them all that way. I would have shown you the whole thing, but you know, it's a ticky-tacky world, so you'd be out of here in a minute. All right, next thing you know, these are all sliced. All you need now is butter. We're using the sweet butter, and we want to season, so we're going to use our Big Tex. Head on down to your local grocer, get our Big Tex. You got to check it out. This is actually one of our most popular rubs or seasonings, the Big Tex. And so we're going to season the butter, and then we're going to use your hands. And this is why I'm using gloves. You know, I don't want to get the butter under my fingernails. You know what I'm saying? All right, so you give it a good mix. Now, this is the fun part. This is the fun part. You grab your tater and you start rubbing. Rub that Hasselback. Gets in there. Oh, baby. Look at that there. See, oh yeah. Use your fingers just the way she likes it. Right? We always say that, but you know what I'm saying, right? God. Right. And you just keep doing that. I think you know what we're doing. Now, there's all kinds of things you could do with these buttered hands right now, but let's not get into that. All right, let's, I guess we can stop and pause again so you can go to the free fridge and get a cold one. Now, these are all set for the oven, right? Outdoor oven, indoor oven, don't make a difference. You got to check these out. And after about an hour in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven, you got the perfect side for something like this wild leek veal roast. Oh, it's good.
That wild leek totally makes it.
Look at that.
With that ramps.
Potato and veal taco.
Oh, yeah. Add with some of those red wine onions.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.